Hey there, Ronnie with Schaefer's, and today we're going to learn how to put on pedestals on an Electrolux front load washer and dryer. The biggest thing that we've found with Electrolux pedestals is that the owner's manual tells you how to do it incorrectly. So the purpose of this video today is to show you how to do it correctly. So first you have your brackets and screws. So we're going to grab two brackets and put them in the front. And as you can see on the actual pedestal, there's multiple holes. So the holes that you're going to use, and this is for the 2019, 2020 models of Electrolux, will be the outer two sets of screws. And you've got two holes line up, two holes line up, and then your fronts is where it will attach to the washer. And then your two back brackets, and this is where it gets kind of confusing, and this is where the book tells you to do it wrong. So the bracket goes into the furthest back holes. So the bracket's actually hanging off of the pedestal. What a lot of people think is, this seems natural. You've got the bracket is actually even with the pedestal, but if you were to attach it here and you try to set the wash machine down, it's not going to fit. So furthest back. Tab goes in, set your screws, and attach the bracket. So now all of your brackets are in the proper placement. Okay, and then we just slide to align the holes with the bracket. So now, holes are lined up. We'll just you've got two holes on each side in the back. So now we've attached the screws through the brackets to the front of the machine and to the rear, so the pedestal is on the washer. Now we're going to move on to the dryer. So the same outer sets of holes and attach. Now your back brackets, like we said for the washer, there's a bunch of different ways that these can go, and there's a way that the owner's manual will tell you to put them. Do not listen to the owner's manual. So if you remember on the washer, we actually wanted that tab with the B on it to be facing backwards, okay? But on the dryer, it's actually going to be facing forward, and there's an arrow that points to the back. Don't ask me what the arrows are for, because it's one way on the washer and another way on the dryer, but we want to use the middle set of holes and the back tab. So you have a tab that points down, that back tab goes in there, and you've got that middle set of holes. And when I say middle, I'm referencing between all of the holes. So that goes in and should lock into place, and that's the correct placement for the dryer. And we'll go ahead and put that down. Now the difference with the dryer on the pedestal, with the washer we just went straight down. With the dryer, we want to come in from the back. Make sure your holes all line up, which they do. And they should be lined up in front. Everything's lined up. We can go ahead and screw it in. now that all the brackets are attached to the machine, you're ready for installation. You can push it back in, connect your vent, connect your hoses, you're ready to go.